Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check traffic on Google Maps. It is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your Google Maps. Then you're going to want to pick a location. Let's say, for example, you're going to want to go to this mansion of Mr. Manny Pacquiao. All right. Now, once you have located the place, just go ahead and tap on this icon right here, which is like a stacked up square. Tap on it. And as you can see, map type, you can go ahead and tap on default, satellite, or terrain. And then on map details, just make sure that you select traffic. All right, tap on it and make sure that it has the blue icon all around it, and that means that it is now selected. The green lines right here indicates that it is free, or the highway is free. Now we're gonna find an example. Now this area right here, coming to the mansion, as you can see here, this red area right here got a heavy traffic or a bad traffic. Now if you can see orange, all right, like this for example, you can see orange, this means that it has a medium traffic. All right, and that's how you check traffic on Google Maps. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.